Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and we're going to talk about something that happened earlier this year that was very amazing and makes you think about, how the Internet of the future is going to go. We've talked in the past about things called denial of service attacks or distributed denial of service attacks, abbreviated DDoS. What are those? They're massive attacks against a server or a enterprise, and usually to bring down networks. So there was such an attack that was recorded by Cloudflare's DDoS protection system, and it actually recorded 17.2 million requests per second at its peak for traffic, and it accounted for almost 70% of all the average traffic that you usually see at that time. So it wasn't very long. It was a short-lived attack, but at its peak of 7.2 million, it was massive, and it was directed at what seems to be some financial websites, and that was pretty interesting. The traffic seems to have come from mostly Indonesia, India, and Brazil, and it seemed to not be more than about 20,000 devices that actually were sending the requests. Now, this is the biggest attack yet. We talk about how each attack is bigger and bigger than the preceding attacks, and this is, of course, capable of bringing down a lot of websites, a lot of enterprise with the strong attacks that it actually does. So to give you an idea of the assault, a typical load for servers goes, according to Cloudflare, around 25 million HTTP requests every second at its strongest. But the denial of service attack that was done in July reached almost 70% capacity of that, that service or that, request. That is a typical standard request that you have when the internet is normal. So of course this brings down a lot of websites when it happens. The botnet is believed to be part of the Mirai botnet, and it is around 30,000 bots that are actually generating impressive volumes of attack and try to, of course, bring down major websites and from enterprise, from governments, and so on. Usually these can be rented. That's the way it works, actually. Governments, for example, from foreign states could technically rent and drive an attack against another country, for example. So it's pretty crazy. But these are getting very, very sophisticated and quite big. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.